Hello everyone, I am Anu Kujur and today I am sharing my thought about the tourist places in Bhopal.
Okay.
Uh, as far as concerned, I know Bhopal is very beautiful city
Right.
and there is so many places which is connected from historical places.
Those places
Those
have
pla-
historical values.
values like Bhimbetika, Sachi Stoop, Bhojpur Temple, and we are created so many things like Manav Sangrahalaya.
Right.
There are 450 or more Indian Adivasi tribes things are present, and one more tribal museum is there. There are so many things, and the Birla Mandir, it has also very unique and it's
Significant historical importance.
yes, and there is a very big idol of Lakshmi Narayan, and he is very it is very old and
Right.
historical value.
So why this temple is known as Birla Temple instead of Lakshmi Narayan Temple?
So that I
You have
don't
no idea about
no
it.
idea.
Because
Birla
these series of temples are famous for its manufacturers
Man-
instead of the god,
God.
installed there.
Okay. And one more thing I will add on it, that Bada Talab, it is an artificial lake and it is also very famous. We also call it Bhoj Tal.
Right.
And there are so many activities also going on there, like adventurous activity, boating, cruising, and now paddle boating also there. And
And you know that international kayaking
yes,
competition
also
happened
happened
here.
here.
Only
And
in Bhopal.
so many sports activities,
Sports
swimming
activities are
also done in Chota Talab also. And there are so many dams also, like Kolar Dam, Kalyasot Dam. So I see there are so many places to visit in Bhopal. In Van Vihar also we see so many animals.
Right.
In 450 kilometer or meter something, it is very small national park in India. And the Tajul Masjid is also famous. It is Asia's first masjid, I think, yeah, bigger,
Asia's largest
mosque in
When it
Bhopal.
was built, the whole city can offer namaz at a time. That
At a
time.
one time.
At one time.
At one
when
time.
it was constructed.
Yes.
It was constructed in 19th century,
Yes.
around 150 years back from now.
And there are so many begums also ruled here.
Yes.
So they established so many schools, colleges, hospitals like Hamidia, Sultania,
Safia College.
Safia College, Hamidia College, schools, so many things.
So many prominent artists studied in India.
Yes.
Like Annu Kapoor.
Yes.
He is from Bhopal.
Bhopal.
And Javed Akhtar, a famous lyricist who studied from Safia College. And there was a great painter in past called M.F. Hussain.
Yes.
He is
He's
also,
also from
a student of Bhopal.
Bhopal.
Later on, he became teacher as well. So Bhopal has great significant historical values.
Yes, sir.
What else do you want to say?
Nothing but I
What do you
think
want to say about the culture of Bhopal?
Uh,
What culture do you see in Bhopal?
I think Bhopal is rich in culture. They accept all the modern things also.
Right.
In old Bhopal, we see the old Bhopalis here, but in new Bhopal, we see the modern Bhopalis, and they accept new technologies and modern things they accept.
When you are talking about modernization, then Bhopal has the first private railway station
Yes,
called
Rani Kamlapati. It is very modern.
And when people visit there, they experience like an airport instead of a
Railway station, yes, sir. And there are so many bhavans also in Bhopal, like Satpura Bhavan, Vallabh Bhavan. There are ministry.
These are the offices of
Offices.
ministry and named after Bhavan. But when we talk about Bhavan, we should talk about Ravindra Bhavan,
Yes, sir.
Hindi Bhavan, Vigyan Bhavan.
Vigyan.
So these are a kind of auditorium where several cultural activities
Yes.
are conducted.
Yes.
And when we are talking about cultural activity, then Bharat Bhavan is the best bhavan,
Best bhavan.
all over the country.
Yeah.
It is called Makkah of all the artists who perform on stage.
On stage.
They are it's their prestige issue to perform in Bharat Bhavan.
Yes. And once upon time I am going that Vidhan Sabha also. It is very large and very the building of Vidhan Sabha is very unique. And
It's
the
very
modern unique and the culture like roof is like ki sun,
Architecture of the building.
sun rays are coming all the time in the room. The Vidhan Sabha is going on there, that place. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Great. So she described our own city from tourist point of view. We keep talking about the city, but we always talk like, okay, what is there in the city? But if someone wants to visit Bhopal, then Bhopal is a very rich place in culture, art, modernization, and everything. So anyone can come and visit this city. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for coming and speaking.